YouTube? Matt with ASL Dumpsters here in Aurora, Colorado. And if I look a little different, it's because my camera's different. A couple weeks ago, it was Father's Day, and my wife, my beautiful wife, thanks Riss, got me a GoPro. So I'm filming on a GoPro 10 Black, and this is the first video with it. This is pretty cool. It's got the front and back screens, came with the little handheld tripod, some extra batteries. I probably need to get another SD card for it. Came with a case and a backpack and all that stuff. So we got it used from somebody else, and so we got it relatively cheap. But anyway, thanks Chris. And today's video is just a normal dumpster rental video. I've got behind me my Rawmax 15-yard 14K dump trailer. We're heading to the landfill right now, which is right down this road. And then this afternoon I have a pickup for our 10-yard roll-off, so I'll be switching trailers. And that's it. Today's kind of quiet, honestly. Everything else is out on rent, which is awesome. Both my 20-yarders and my other 15-yarder, everything's out. But this week's gonna get really busy. We leave for Lake McConaughey for the 4th of July on Thursday, and I've got every day is just packed with pickups, drop-offs. We gotta get the kids ready, we gotta get the camper ready. We got a lot of stuff to do. So we have kind of a full week heading up to Thursday, and then even the day we're leaving, I've got, I think, at least 2, if not 3 drop-offs, which means I have probably at least 2 dump runs to do that morning too. And anyway, it's going to get wild, but I'm excited. Lake McConaughey is always fun. Yeah, we're heading to the landfill. We'll check back in here when we scale in. Here we are at the landfill. This is a waste management run landfill, and that is the attended line. So glad I don't have to mess with that. Deep right now, and they've got both sides open. We go into the unattended line. I don't even have to weigh out with these trailers. With my roll-off trailers, I do have to weigh out. There's a way I can do it to where I can scale just my roll-off trailer and my the roll-off itself, but $1,500 on the nose. Not much. Bore you with the trip back to the dumping area, as it is all the way back there at the top of that hill. I don't know if you guys can see that far with this camera right now, but it is about 1.5 miles back up a really shitty road that beats the hell out of your truck and trailer. But check back in here in a minute when we get up there. Alright, that one's empty. Let's go deliver it. And I'm on that shitty road I was talking about. I'm on the back, well, coming down the last half of it now, but you can tell through the camera how bumpy and pitted this road is. I get it, it's a landfill road, what do I expect? But man, it just beats your equipment up. But let's go deliver. Excuse me, let's go. Holy cow. I had some apple left over. Woo! Let's go deliver this 15-yard dumpster. Dump trailer, rather. All right, we are at the customer's house. Backing it up into the driveway. It was a referral from a family friend, so we always love the referrals. If you're thinking about getting into this business or something like it, I would not underestimate the power of your network and the people around you that trust you already. Family and friends, acquaintances, former, colleagues, bosses, stuff like that. Don't underestimate the power that can have on your growth, especially when you're small. You're trying to grow. Your customer service is really high. Customer service, you should always strive to have great customer service, but always make sure that you're taking care of those people. So what I do is I make sure that the well, it went away, but I always make sure that the tongue is clear of the sidewalk. That is my minimum. I will not leave it in the sidewalk because that's just gonna make a headache for the customer and you. Some chocks down. Wheel lock, hitch lock. Man, I have to pull up. Hitches seized up. Well, not seized up, but it won't let go. Come on, little buddy. There you go. Interesting for these. Surfaces. And then one thing I want to show you guys with these chuck locks, it's nice because, you know, if something were to happen where somebody gets squirrely with the trailer, maybe they're, you know, using machinery to open it or load it, I mean, something happens to your, you know, your chocks down there, that thing's not coming off, and that can save your trailer from rolling and injuring somebody, causing you a gigantic headache for you and your business. So with my dump trailers, I always use those. And then I've shown you guys these before, but these are the locks that I use for the hitch itself. So we'll wrap this one up and see you guys back here in a second for the next one. Alright guys, it is later in the afternoon. I just picked up our 10-yard roll-off. I've got the roll-off trailer with me. Sorry, I was kind of in a hurry. I've got my son with me and I've got to go pick up my family. So that's a wrap on this video. But yeah, I hope you guys like the new camera. I'm going to be using it a lot. I'm going to pump out some more videos. I've got to work on getting the editing down with the new system for this. But hopefully it turns out some better content for you guys. And stay tuned, guys. We'll see you next time.